Hello, friends. I'm Alexius Varro, and welcome back to our journey through the art of Stoic living. Today, we're diving into a profound lesson from day 25 in our daily meditations, focusing on the only reward and exploring how understanding what truly matters to us can lead to a life of freedom and inner peace. Marcus Aurelius, in his Meditations, tells us about the essence of moving and resting according to our own nature. He says, "It seems to me that it is to move and rest according to one's own nature. This is what both exercises and arts lead to. This is dear, and if it is in order, then everything else is not your concern." This powerful insight redirects our focus inward, suggesting that when we align ourselves with our true nature and values, external possessions and validations lose their hold on us. Let's take a step back and consider what this truly means. In our busy, cluttered lives, we're often bombarded with messages that place value on material success, social status, and external validations. But Marcus reminds us of a deeper truth. Will you not stop valuing many other things? If not, you will never be free, self-sufficient, and unpassionate because you will inevitably start envying, being jealous, suspecting those who can take it away, or even plotting against those who possess what you value. This rings even more relevant when we look at our modern-day examples. Consider Warren Buffett, one of the wealthiest individuals in the world. Despite his fortune, Buffett continues to live in the same modest house he purchased decades ago for a mere $31,500. Then there's John Urschel, an NFL player who lives on just $25,000 a year despite his millionaire status. And let's not forget Kawhi Leonard, a basketball star who drives a beat-up 1997 Chevy Tahoe. These choices might seem eccentric, but they point to a larger story. These individuals aren't stingy, nor are they accidentally ascetic. What they practice is a conscious prioritization of values, valuing substance over superficiality. Their lifestyle choices align with what truly matters to them, not with the societal pressures of what they could splurge on. This deliberate simplicity gives them the freedom to dedicate their resources, time, attention, and yes, even money, to pursuits that genuinely fulfill them. Marcus Aurelius nails it when he says that reverence for your own understanding and honoring it will make you like yourself and get along with your peers and live in harmony with the gods. In modern terms, when you understand and honor what's genuinely important to you, it paves the way for a harmonious life in tune with both yourself and the world around you. Buffett, Urschel, and Leonard aren't examples of sacrifice. They are living proofs of the liberating power of clarity. This kind of clarity allows these individuals to be happy and content, even if their external circumstances change dramatically. They can still find joy and fulfillment, irrespective of market crashes or career-ending injuries, because their happiness isn't tied to external factors. This brings us back to the profound wisdom of Stoic philosophy. The more things we desire and the more we need to do to earn and achieve our goals, the less we actually enjoy our lives and the less free we are. By minimizing our desires and focusing on what truly aligns with our nature, we find a powerful form of freedom. So friends, let's take a moment today to reflect on our own lives. Are there things we are clinging to that don't truly matter? Can we identify areas where a shift in perspective might bring us closer to our true nature and values? Maybe it's time to simplify, prioritize, and ultimately free ourselves from unnecessary burdens. Thank you for joining me today as we unlock these timeless Stoic teachings. If you found this episode meaningful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's continue our journey together, embracing a life of practical virtue and inner peace. Until next time, stay resilient, stay focused, and remember, true freedom lies within. Take care, my friends.